Nagatan ako sa Eras Tour ni Taylor Swift dito sa Australia, and I'm gonna be sharing with you this one thing that hopefully would inspire you as well. Since she is in Australia, majority of the news here are all about her. And marami akong nababasa sa comment section na parang, wow, 3 hours lang siya magpo-perform, tapos nakaka-earn na siya ng ilang millions. Buti pa siya, nagkanta lang ng sayaw-sayaw lang, nag-e-enjoy lang sa stage, tapos nakaka-earn na siya, nagiging millionaire na siya from that one night. And I was like, yeah, that's true, na parang 3 hours lang siya nagtatrabaho. Nakikita natin na nagtatrabaho. But let's not forget na si Taylor Swift, she was starting when she was very young and wala pang tao na sumusuporta sa kanya sa panahon na yun. And she continued.